How's it going, everyone? My name is Roger. Welcome to Woodpecker Crafts and Builds. I want to show you this new van I just finished converting. This is a Ford Transit. It is a low top, and I'm excited to show you how it came out. Check it out. All right, you guys, let's show you the inside. Let's start off with the seat. This is the swivel seat. I added the swivel seat in to make the space bigger, and the reason why I left this section like this is just so it could feel a little bit more spacious as you're sitting on the swivel seat. The toilet section is here, the EcoFlow is here, fridge is there, sink is there, and the bed storage is underneath. I'm going to show you that one by one. So the way that this works, the toilet is you pull this top off. At first I was thinking about making it open this way, but the van leans on this side. There's kind of a slant right here, so it didn't really work. So the way that we did it was just to remove it completely. You put that to the side, and then you have your porta potty right there. So this is a compost closet. I haven't used this porta potty before, but I heard a lot of good things about it. And there's also a lip on the bottom to stop it from sliding back and forth. And yeah, so this is the toilet. So she's able to use it right here and hide behind the chair. So that's how the toilet works. Let me put this back, and then I'll show you the EcoFlow. So all of the wood that I use here is all acacia wood. So acacia, and this wood is hard. This wood is usually used for butcher blocks. She wanted something that was strong, that was gonna last, and this is that. The EcoFlow is right here. So here is the EcoFlow. This is the Delta Pro, so pretty strong power bank. This is powering all of the lights. It's powering the outlets, the fans, the sink, the fridge, everything. There's also an adapter on the other side, so you could connect it to whenever you get to a campground and stuff like that. You could also connect it to the 12 volt as you're driving. I bought an adapter cable for that as well. And yeah, that's that part. Here is the fridge. Let me show you the fridge if you want to see it right there. I don't know if you met our buddy Jimas. This is our buddy. He goes on these van tours with us. Sometimes he hangs out on the builds. And say something for the camera, Jimas. Not today. All right, this is the fridge right here. And this is a Iceco. And I put it on a bracket like this. You bring it out, you pop it up. Watch out, Jimas. And that's how you access the fridge. So the setup that I had for this van was to try to accommodate everything that we needed to get in here. We needed to get that toilet, the EcoFlow, which is pretty big, this fridge, and the sink, and some storage. So I figured the best way to make this van built spacious and also feel like a home was to kind of get this setup going right here. So I got the big slab here where she could probably use the laptop here and access other things. I have the outlets right there. That's an AC outlet. It has two USB-C ports, the regular AC ports. She could connect all of her devices. There's also the dimmer switch right here that controls all the lights. So that's the lights right there. They're dimmable. We have 8 pucker lights on the ceiling, laminate white on the ceiling to match the cabinets. This is pretty much the same color laminate. I have the Max fan. This is a Max fan Deluxe. I have the remote control for it and everything. Great fan. You've probably seen it on my other videos. There's also an outlet up here, so she doesn't have to keep opening the front to use the Delta Pro. You have a USB-C here, 2 USBs, 2 AC outlets. So this is probably going to be the main charging station. The counter, the acacia countertop was sealed with tung oil. So all natural, nice and clean tung oil with citric solvent. And now let me show you the bed. So here's the bed. I have a little lock here. Let me show you how the bed works. So there's a little place where you pull it right there, and that's on gas struts. So this is the main storage for this van. This is the main storage along with these 3 cabinets here. I'll show you these cabinets in a little bit. I left one bigger one here for bigger items and smaller ones for clothes and other small items like that. So the way you bring it down like that, and then it locks on one side, locks on the other. You have a little lock there as well. And this bed is a single bed. This is a 30 inch by 75 inch memory foam mattress. Very comfortable. This is a 5 inch, super comfortable. And here is the drawers. So you have one drawer there. All right, Jimas. You have one drawer there, another one right here, and then you have a smaller one right here. And the reason why this is smaller is because I have the wheel well right here. The wheel well was right behind this section, so I had to build around it, and that's the smaller one. Here is the sink. I have a little switch here to turn it on, and that's the sink. And she could also use that as a shower throughout the back door. So there's also another setting on here where you can make it spray like a shower. So she could get a little tent and put it in the back and shower right there, no problem. I also installed these fans. These are the Cicero fans. I believe they're from Italy. A lot of people use them in sailboats and a lot of boats and stuff like that. I've been wanting to install these for a very long time. Finally got the chance to install them. They're really great fans. They're known as one of the best ones for camper vans and stuff like that. They have 3 settings, and it's strong. You can feel it. I don't know if you can see my hair blowing there, but there's one there, one on this side as well, and this circulates the air around. I also added these windows. These are small windows. These are just meant to kind of circulate the air from one side to the other. These are AM auto windows. So it's great for airflow. I also added laminate around it with a border to give it a touch. And this fan also has timer. You could put a timer on it and it swivels whichever way you want. If it's rolling, you put your hand in there, it just stops. It doesn't hurt you or anything. Great fan. I really like these fans. I have the 2 jugs here underneath. 2 jugs. And there's 2, okay, James, hold on. It's 2 7-gallon jugs under there. And let me show you the back so I could show you how the back looks. I have a little table here. Hold on, let's go around. All right, here's the back of the van. We have the table here. I made a little table so you can use your laptop back here, chop vegetables and stuff like that. Same wood as all of the counters. And here's that little switch that turns on the sink, the one that I was talking about. It turns on the faucet. I also have the carpet trimming on all around the borders as well as the door panels. Behind all the doors here, we have insulation. We use Thinsulate. I have Thinsulate here, polyisofoam on the floor, Thinsulate on the roof, on the ceiling as well, and behind all the walls as well. So as far as all the other windows, the client purchased the window covers that she bought. She already bought some pre-made on each side, so she's gonna cover all the windows with that whenever it's time to go to sleep. The side ones, I think we're gonna make some custom ones. She might make some custom ones for those. Yeah. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was my first Ford Transit. I was excited to do a Ford Transit. I've done a ton of 40 Econoline low tops, but this is my first Ford Transit. Now you can see what can be done with a low top van. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my shorts if you want to see a little bit more step-by-step on how I build these vans, and also some tutorial videos. That's where I post some tutorials. And yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think I should have done or shouldn't have done. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, whatever.